Every truck has a story that starts with a customer. It can be a customer with hundreds of trucks in their fleet, or a family business making their biggest investment yet by buying their Volvo. In both cases, the truck is the customer's most important tool to be successful in their business. Once the order is placed, the gears begin to turn. The flow starts with our suppliers and moves forward towards the Tuve plant. Every truck has a story, and if we didn't exist, the story would end here. We have a unique opportunity to write the continuation of the story. We may not think about it every time we deliver materials, route cables, or assemble tires, but we give the truck life, and ahead of it lies an important mission: to make a difference every single day. We have a great variety, because no two stories are the same. We want to give each customer exactly what they need. When we make our customers succeed, we ensure that it's us who gets to keep writing the story. That's why it's important that every truck is delivered on time and always ready to roll. We also need to be bold, to innovate, to explore, learn, and grow the best ideas so they truly make an impact. Innovation only has value when it makes a difference. It's when we work together that we make all this possible. We come from different roles, with different experiences, and sometimes different perspectives. That's what makes us stronger together. Every truck has a story. It's run by employees who care for each other and for the workplace that we build together. We create the plant that we want to work in and shape the world that we want to live in. We grow and help each other grow. By showing care, we create a workplace where people feel safe and free to be themselves. When the customer receives their truck, the story continues. Often we think that this is where the story ends, but it's actually here that the truly important chapter begins. When the truck is used to deliver food to schools, manage our waste, or transport medicine to hospitals. We may not feel it every time we deliver materials, route cables, or assemble tires, but every truck has a story, and we write it together.